So that's a historical house he's talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's another.
Ah, it's a prison. Former inmates. It's a prison. All lava. Red lava and black lava.
I'm sweating. Mom, can you take my hat tonight?
This is the
Can you wait?
Yeah.
Papa, we can go to the side. There are so many things. No, but I like the other one. Oh, this is dry.
No, there. Elves. Babalu.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
That's where we're gonna go. The cathedral.
Wait, Pop, we're going to the very top where the cross is? Where the cross is?
no, there is one area there. You see the windows?
Yeah, but can you go to like near the very top?
Yes.
The cathedral. What's the name of this cathedral?
It's Leif Erikson, the one who landed on Ode Meadows, Newfoundland, discovered Vinland.
Ah,
We went there, right?
Yeah.
UNESCO Park. That was the guy.
ah.
I want to take a picture of that.
Okay?
Like, people already used to doing
Yes, then you wait. It's okay. You and Mama will go there.
That's the name, Hallgrímskirkja. We're going up to the tower. went inside it, but they had the biggest organ in Europe. We've been here 10 years ago. And I heard it playing. We're inside the tower. This is the whole downtown. Look at the fun there. Scary. Colorful house, look at that. Oof. That's the other side of the tower. It's so really foggy, guys. Very, very foggy. In the ocean. Foggy. The monkey wants to come here. We go to the other side. This is the other side of the tower. Look how clean it is. It is very, 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 very clean, guys. Look at that beauty of Reykjavík, Iceland. Look at the beauty, man. Hey, Marikota.